holidays just around the corner. The excitement is in the air, and it's time to find those perfect gifts for your loved ones.
Lucky for us, Dawn McCarthy is here to share some fabulous gift ideas, and we have the giggles. She's showing us entertaining products that will make this holiday season truly unforgettable.
Dawn, thanks for being with us.
Thank you for having me. So let's start off with Party with a Purpose. Okay? We're going to party with a purpose. This is from Matter. I love this company. You can get them basically on Amazon. You can get them on Target. You can get it at Walmart. And this is going to help you because I don't personally like to do dishes. What about, we talked about this.
Really, no.
I'm actually hosting Thanksgiving this year.
Ooh.
So these basically will dissolve into the earth, which I absolutely love. They will compost within 12 months. You know, I'm really into recycling and stuff. But I don't know if you can see these new party cups that they have.
Oh,
so you don't have to use those old red cups that are out there. They've got these beautiful ones. They've got silverware. They even have stuff that you can put in the dishwasher if you want to reuse it. But I love this. They've got those little compostable bags that you can send people away with all the different products and stuff like that that you have, that you're featuring, like at the dinner tables, or you want to put some of the, what is your favorite, like for Thanksgiving? What do you like to
like
go
leftovers?
With? Leftovers, some turkey, stuffing.
Turkey,
You can send people away with it, and they've got a whole bags of different things like this. They've got plates. They also have really nice containers. You can drink with these, or you can play party games, because you guys are party girls. I know that. Like a good party.
Cheers to that.
They will be able to do that.
Yes, an upgraded red Solo cup.
Yeah, I like it.
It is, exactly. Yes. And next up I have, because if we're going to be eating all these different foods and stuff like that during the holidays with Thanksgiving, Christmas, we're at different places, different houses. This is Goodness Lover Gut Restore Kit. And what I love about this is woman-owned, and this is going to help support our gut health. A lot of people have IBS, they have leaky gut syndrome. This is going to help you on a daily basis. I've started using this about 2-3 months ago because I had issues with bloating. So this has really helped me personally, so I wanted to share it with you. And they also have some master classes available on their website, because I think a lot of people take their information from the internet, which is not correct to do. So they have master classes with real important people in it that are in wellness and the nutrition industry that can talk you through different areas of the problems that you're having. And so this is a really good supplement to take, because we want to stay healthy during the holidays. So that's kind of a go-to as well.
Yeah, all the food and junk that you're having during the holidays, you need something to help balance that out.
Yeah, you need some nutrient absorption. Again, it's women-owned, vegan-friendly too, for anybody that cares about all the vegan friendliness.
Wow, nice.
And next up, I have something that's NASA-inspired. Jess was trying to put this on her face. I'm going to have one of you guys actually turn this on. So this is Helight. This is Helight, exactly. I want you to sleep better, deeper, and longer. And this is red light. So what's going to happen, this is 28 minutes protocol. So for the first 14 minutes, you're going to put this by your nightstand. And what's going to do is, you don't want to have, your phone emits blue light. So this is red light. So this is going to trigger that immune in you to be able to help you sleep faster and quicker with the melatonin. So that's just going to sit, it's going to go on for 14 minutes, because you're like, Dawn, this is a little bit bright, and it'll basically fade out for the other 14 minutes. So travel during the holidays, this is great for you. Anybody that has trouble sleeping, that don't want to take supplements, want something more of a natural thing to do, this is absolutely amazing. And like I said, if it's NASA inspired, yes please, I'd love to try it myself. And again, no phones at night. That blue light is what keeps you up. Are you a scroller at night?
No, absolutely. That's all I do at night.
I just implemented a rule.
And Jess might use this elsewhere on her body, because she's into the red light therapy. We'll go with that. And then next, I'm going to grab this over here. So while you're off to sleep, this is Mom Cozy. I want you guys to feel how soft this is.
Wow.
So this is too. Do any of you guys have any friends that are just having babies right now?
Yes, lots of them.
Okay, so Mom Cozy. This is also good for anyone that's going through postpartum, because they have night sweats. They have all these things. This is going to keep you cool.
I want to like put it on.
Exactly. Isn't that great?
There you go.
I love it. It's lightweight. It's perfect for new moms.
Lovely.
It's fabric. So again, when you're sleeping at night, because I don't know about you, my heater's on in my house, and so sometimes I want a cooler blanket, and when you have something that's so heavy that you can't, like, then I'm too hot, then I'm like hot, then I'm cold. This is going to keep you cold. And truth be told, I do have a dog, and my dog loves sleeping on it too, because it's a little bit cooler for her. And that's Mom Cozy. But any of the new moms out there, Mom Cozy has stuff for everyone. Again, like you said, if you got a new mom on your list.
All right, we got to move on to get the last couple things in, because we want to make sure everyone can gift this holiday.
I don't even need to talk about this next one. This is Sure Bonder, and this is a cordless hot glue gun, because what did you guys tell me about this when I first got here?
We love a glue glue gun. I love crafts. I love to do all the things.
This is for the DIY, and this is even going to be on sale with Black Friday and stuff coming up. It's going to be over 25% off. It's under $35 already. It's cordless. You can tackle any DIY. The kit includes these really pretty glitter glue sticks, normal color glue sticks. They've got a little bit of something for every single person on your list. And after 2 minutes, you can use it. Then you got to put it back on the charger. Then go ahead and redo it. But it is DIY season, so pick this up. And then lastly, this is Highland Park whiskey. So this isn't just any whiskey at all. This is an 18-year-old single malt Scott whiskey, and it's actually their most awarded whiskey that they have. This distillery is in Scotland. It's been around since 1798, and it's in Orkney Island. And again, it tastes like nothing else. It's got a signature Orcadian heather peat smoke, dark chocolate, and candied orange in it. It is simply amazing. This is the premium gift as long as you're over 21 to gift someone at the holidays if you're looking for that something special. And like I said, this is in Scotland. If you guys are a whiskey lover, this is the ultimate premium whiskey that you want to have or drink or gift.
Okay, this would be a great hostess gift. Dawn, all of these gifts are incredible. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Happy early holidays, everyone.
Happy holidays.
And happy shopping.
Thank you. If you want to learn more about any of these products or shopping tips from Dawn, head over to our website, liveinthebay.tv.